Hello friends, welcome to AgriUI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to conduct the horticulture mock test number 4, in which we will cover top 50 objectives of horticulture from SR Kantwa book. So, if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. Dear friends, please watch the full video because at the end of the video there is a question given for you and you have to answer this question in the comment box. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First question: which one of the following is the gynodioecious cultivar of papaya? The correct answer is option number 4. So the Pusa majesty is the gynodioecious cultivar of papaya. Then next question: which of the following is the late ripening cultivar of ber? The correct answer is option number 1. So the Umran is the late ripening cultivar of ber. Then next: generally seedless watermelon is. The correct answer is option number 2. So generally seedless watermelon is triploid. Then next question: for biological control of tomato fruit borer, the ideal trap crop is. The correct answer is option number 1. So for biological control of tomato fruit borer, the ideal trap crop is marigold. Then next question: the yellow color in onion is due to the pigment. The correct answer is option number 2. So the yellow color in onion is due to the pigment quercetin. Then next question: Krishna and Kanchan are the varieties of. The correct answer is option number 3. So the Krishna and Kanchan are the varieties of Aula. Then next: windbreaks are planted in orchards towards. The correct answer is option number 2. So the windbreaks are planted in orchards towards northwest direction. Then next: onion variety suitable for kharif crop is. The correct answer is option number 3. So the onion variety suitable for kharif crop is Agrifound dark red. Then next: exhausting temperature of canned fruits and vegetables is. The correct answer is option number 2. So the exhausting temperature of canned fruits and vegetables is 80 to 82 degrees Celsius. Then next: botanically pineapple fruit is. The correct answer is option number 1. So botanically pineapple fruit is Psoriasis. Then next: the primary objective of greenhouse cultivation of vegetable is. The correct answer is option number 2. So the primary objective of greenhouse cultivation of vegetable is to get off-season yield. Then next: the richest source of iron is. The correct answer is option number 2. So the richest source of iron is spinach. Then next: papaya is rich in. The correct answer is option number 1. So the papaya is rich in vitamin A. Then next: an ideal fruit for making jelly should be rich in. The correct answer is option number 4. So an ideal fruit for making jelly should be rich in pectin and acids. Then next: the recommended storage temperature to extend the shelf life of banana is. The correct answer is option number 3. So the recommended storage temperature to extend the shelf life of banana is 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. Then next: which of the following statement is correct? Control atmosphere storage of fruits and vegetables. The correct answer is option number 1. So the control atmosphere storage of fruits and vegetables maintains higher concentration of carbon dioxide than the normal atmosphere. Then next: in India, which of the following fruit has the highest production? The correct answer is option number 2. So in India, banana fruit has the highest production. Then next, late cauliflower doesn't set seed in plains due to absence of. The correct answer is option number 4. So the late cauliflower doesn't set seed in plains due to absence of short day and low temperature. Then next, Pusa Mukta, an improved variety of cabbage, is resistant to. The correct answer is option number 2. So the Pusa Mukta, an improved variety of cabbage, is resistant to black rot. Then next, which one of the following states regions is famous for the cultivation of orchids? The correct answer is option number 3. So northeastern region is famous for the cultivation of orchids. Then next, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The options are stone grafting mango, cutting strawberry, tongue grafting apple, and ring budding jujube. The correct answer is option number 2. So the pair which is not correctly matched is cutting strawberry. Then next, which one of the following is most suitable used as a filler crop in a mango orchard? The correct answer is option number 4. So the papaya is most suitable used as a filler crop in a mango orchard. Then next, budding is most commonly done when there is a. The correct answer is option number 1. So budding is most commonly done when there is good sap flow in the plants. Then next, in hexagonal system of planting, how much more percentages of trees can be planted as compared to square method? The correct answer is option number 4. So in hexagonal system of planting, 15 more percentages of trees can be planted as compared to square method. Then next, Kinno Mandarin was developed by. The correct answer is option number 4. So Kinno Mandarin was developed by H.B. Frost. Then next, the anti-sterility vitamin is. The correct answer is option number 3. So the anti-sterility vitamin is vitamin E. Then next, mango seed lose their viability within. The correct answer is option number 2. So the mango seed lose their viability within 4 to 5 weeks. Then next, International Institute of Horticulture is situated in. The correct answer is option number 2. So the International Institute of Horticulture is situated in Brazil. Then next, who is the father of systematic pomology? The correct answer is option number 1. So the father of systematic pomology is De Candolle. Then next, National Horticulture Board was established in. The correct answer is option number 2. So the National Horticulture Board was established in 1984. Then next, Agriculture and Process Products Development Authority, that means APEDA, was came in existence in. The correct answer is option number 3. So the Agriculture and Process Products Development Authority, that means APEDA, was came in existence in 1985. Then next, which fruit is known as miracle fruit of China? The correct answer is option number 1. So the kiwi fruit is known as miracle fruit of China. Then next, granulation is a physiological disorder of. The correct answer is option number 2. So the granulation is a physiological disorder of citrus. Then next, pineapple is highly suited for. The correct answer is option number 1. So the pineapple is highly suited for tropical humid region. Then next, which one of the following fruits belong to the family Anacardiaceae? The correct answer is option number 3rd. So the cashew nut fruit belong to the family Anacardiaceae. Then next, skiffing is practice in which plantation crop? The correct answer is option number 3rd. So the skipping is practice in tea plantation crop. Then next, D leaf is the best indicator of nutrient status of. The correct answer is option number 1st. So the D leaf is the best indicator of nutrient status of pineapple. Then next, most heavily pruned fruit plant is. The correct answer is option number 1st. So most heavily pruned fruit plant is bear. Then next, fruit which start bearing in 1 year of planting is. The correct answer is option number 4th. So the fruit which starts bearing in 1 year of planting is strawberry. Then next, fruit on the basis of respiration can be classified as. The correct answer is option number 2nd. So the fruit on the basis of respiration can be classified as climacteric and non-climacteric. Then next, disease free plants in micropropagation can be obtained through. The correct answer is option number 3rd. So disease free plants in micropropagation can be obtained through meristem culture. Then next, fruit thinning growth regulator is. The correct answer is option number 1st. So fruit thinning growth regulator is NAA, that means naphthalic acetic acid. Then next, iron deficiency in plants is categorized by. The correct answer is option number 2nd. So iron deficiency in plants is categorized by yellowing of new leaves. Then next, best rootstock for citrus in South India is. The correct answer is option number 3rd. So the best rootstock for citrus in South India is Rangpur lime. Then next, leaf scorching in mango is due to. The correct answer is option number 1st. So leaf scorching in mango is due to chloride toxicity. Then next, protandry is a problem in. The correct answer is option number 2nd. So the protandry is a problem in walnut. Then next, pineapple belongs to which family? The correct answer is option number 3rd. So the pineapple belongs to Bromeliaceae family. Then next, most acidic citrus fruit belongs to. The correct answer is option number 1st. So most acidic citrus fruit belongs to Citrus megalaxic carpa. Then next, which chemical act as a aid for mechanical harvesting? The correct answer is option number 1st. So abscisic acid act as an aid for mechanical harvesting. Then next, which one of the following statement is not correct? The correct answer is option number 4. So the statement which is not correct is calcium carbide chemical is not used for artificial ripening in banana. Then next, botanically locate fruit is a. The options are psoriasis, nut, pome and stone. This question is for you friends. Comment the answer in comment box. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.